In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to spot fads versus trends fast and easy. Let's dive in, because understanding the difference between a fad and a trend can really give you an edge, especially if you're looking to make informed decisions about products, topics, or even content creation. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Trends. This tool is fantastic because it allows you to see what people are searching for in real time. Simply type Google Trends into your search engine and click on the first link you find. Once you're on the Google Trends homepage, you'll want to click on the Explore tab. Now here's where the fun begins. Type in the keyword or topic that you're curious about. This could be anything from fashion trends like tie-dye shirts to tech gadgets such as fidget spinners, all the way to food items like the ever-popular pumpkin spice latte. Whatever it is, type it in and hit Enter. Once you're in, it's time to set some filters. You can customize the location to your specific city, state, or even country to get more relevant data. Next, pick a time range that aligns with what you're interested in, whether it's the last 12 months for spotting consistent demand, or just the past 30 to 90 days to catch emerging trends. If you're focusing on a particular niche, don't forget to choose a category. For example, if you're in the health sector, categories like health or medical health can help narrow down the results. Opt for web search for the broadest view. But news search can also show what's trending in current events and regulations. Now focus on the interest over time graph. This is where you can see if you're dealing with a trend or a fad. Trends usually show a steady or gradually rising interest over time, making them solid for the long term. On the flip side, fads exhibit a sharp spike but quickly drop back down, indicating their temporary nature. Take, for instance, the spike and rapid decline of fidget spinners, which contrasted with the steady upward growth seen in wireless earbuds. Scroll down a bit more, and you'll find the Related Topics and Related Queries sections. These often provide more insights into connected interests. If you notice certain queries consistently gaining traction, it might be a good indicator of a trend. But if you find a breakout query that's a one-off, it's likely pointing to a fad. Don't limit yourself to analyzing just one topic. Use Google Trends comparison feature by clicking on the plus compare button. This tool allows you to see multiple topics side by side, giving you a clearer picture of their longevity and popularity. And there you have it. With these insights from Google Trends, spotting fads versus trends becomes straightforward, helping you make smarter choices in whatever realm you operate. Thanks for watching, and happy trend spotting.